Hi guys, it's pretty bored. Regular videos I've been putting up there, pretty crappy ones actually, I got to admit. But yeah, so I'm here to show you a few little things that thinking about getting into, or we're going to be messing around with, I guess. Well, I got two CWE keyers, CW keyers right there, Heathkit, and a Kent Pro. I got a 2-meter crystal controlled mobile radio, base radio right there. I got an old Marcom 2 repeater, receiver shot on it, but yeah, this is one I'm thinking about getting into, see if I can resurrect her. She's an old one. She was on an old site, and for 25, 30 years maybe. She's been around a long time. Old Marcom 2. I have the old Cobra 139 XLR, and I have two RCI 2950s right here that are dead in the water. I'm going to try to resurrect these if I can. Probably not going to be able to, but hey, it's a video, so that's the plan for them. I got the old marine radio up there. I done the video on that like months ago. Done the video, stuck it up there, and that's where she's living ever since. So yeah, I got an old Kenwood mobile crystal control rig right there. It is, I don't know what she is, so 7200 is it? Yeah, 7200A. Got a computer interface patch right there by AEA. Oh yeah, that 2-meter rig, you're probably wondering what it is. And it is a Regency. It's an old Regency amateur transceiver. Old as Buckley's goat, to say the least. I had her going, geez, 3 or 4 years ago, but I haven't even tried to power it up since. I don't even know if the thing works anymore. But yeah, just a few little odds and ends, but I don't know, got a few little ideas up my sleeve. Quite the stash of bits and bobs, bits and pieces. So I've got lots of stuff here to keep us occupied all summer, or I should say all winter. There's a couple little gadgets that I was building. Still got the old receiver there. Still got to change coils out on that one. See if I can make it a little bit better. But so, and yeah, a couple books, computers. And there's the two Kenwood TK760s. Is it that one? No, these two. There you go. Let me turn on my light here. Yeah, these two. That's the two beauties there that I'm going to resurrect again. Experiment with the crossband repeater. As you can see, I cut the wires long ago, so she hasn't been alive in quite some time, to say the least. But that's a project, crossband repeater project. It's only going one way. It's going from VHF to UHF. It's only a one-way crossband. It's not two-way. Go two-way, I got to build another circuit into it, which is easy. But of course, we got to make a ID identifier for her. I was thinking about putting her on a TNC actually. Packet TNC, because I got a lot of them kicking around here. Not a lot, but I got a few of them. And some of the features of those, they have the CW ID that they can send every so many minutes. Every 10 minutes, half hour, whatever. 5 minutes, every minute if you wanted to. But that's the plan for the identifier. And in regards to the remote control part of it, well, that's another story. But yeah, like I say, it's only experimental. That's all that is. I got to talk to a frequency coordinator, obviously, if it's going to be a permanent thing, but as it sits right now, she's not going to be permanent by no means. So yeah, that's the TK. That's the TK760 and the 860. And a couple more radios. Got a big old bullhorn in there that I bought off eBay for like $12 one time, and got different tones and stuff on it. Yeah, I bought it, used tones, and that was it. Never used it since. Turned it on there, scared the crap out of myself. And yeah, so I got the packet. I was messing around with that one a while ago. A lot of stuff here has been dormant. I got a 2-meter Heathkit right there. I bought that, or actually was given a meter last fall, last spring, long time ago. And yeah, and I've got this camera right here. It is going to be pretty cool, actually. Some of you guys may be interested in this. A little idea I'm planning on with this. If I can get this out without all the CDs going to work. So basically, it's a color camera, and as you guessed it, yeah, I can broadcast video over 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Can you guess where I'm thinking of going with this? The idea. Yep. Haven't used this now in a long time, probably 2, 3, 4 years ago. A buddy of mine had it set up in his house because he was having trouble with some neighbours and that, and I said take a loan of it. But in any event, yeah, it's going to be 2.4 gig Wi-Fi video. I already had it working on black and white TV. Actually, the picture on that camera is pretty good, I got to say. It's an old Sanyo color CCD video camera. I don't know, where's the model number of it? Model number, oh, VDC 3950. So there you go. Like I say, I've got a few ideas up my sleeve that I want to do. Like I say, there's a lot of stuff been sitting dormant forever, and now finally get some of this dormancy out of the way. Let me get some projects moving along here. So anyways, just thought I'd do a little video update, or channel update, or shack update, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And